Now, Grandpa said, I'm going to tell you a story that will help you to understand better. Yeah, Grandpa, tell me a story about dragons and dinosaurs, shouted Ajit. No, Ajit, I will tell you a story about real people and their real problems, but not today. This Sunday, I will take you for a picnic to a small village around 100 kilometers from here. We will spend the day there and return by night. On Sunday, Grandpa, Nana, and Ajit started very early for their picnic. They took the first train to a village called Himapet. 2.5 hours later, they found themselves in a tiny, dusty railway station. They got down and stepped outside. A large, well built man wearing a white dhoti and kurta and sporting a huge turban greeted them with folded hands. Student, in this story, Grandpa took Ajit and Nana to a village called Himapet, which is around 100 kilometers from the city. After a journey of 2.5 hours, they stepped outside and saw a man wearing dhoti and kurta with a huge turban. He led them to a bullock cart and, much to Ajit's delight, lifted and placed him on the cart. The cart trundled, trundle means a head covering for men consisting of a long length of cloth material on for almost as hour till they finally reached the village. They alighted in front of a large brick house. Alighted means got down in front of a large brick house. An elderly man and woman, elderly man means old man and woman, came out, greeted Grandpa, and fussed over the kids. First means paid a lot of flattering or important attention. They spoke in a dialect. Dialect means a form of language that is spoken in one area of a country. You can say mother tongue, which Nana and Ajit found difficult to understand. An hour later, after they had their breakfast, Grandpa took them to a huge peepal tree that had a platform around it. They had down and Grandpa started his story. After 10 years ago, there was a young man whose name was Akash. He was studying to be a doctor. After he completed his MBBS, he worked hard and won a scholarship to the US. and got his master's degree. Along with him, 10 of his friends had also gone to America for higher studies. MBBS means Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. Master's degree, a university degree conferring the status of master. They all stayed back, but Akash returned. His father was not very happy with his decision. He wanted his son to make America his home, earn a lot of money, and finally invite his parents and sister to settle down in America. However, Akash was adamant. Adamant means refusing to be persuaded to change one's mind, strong headed. He had different plans. My country has spent lakhs of rupees in educating me. I have to repay debt. The only way I can do it is by serving the people here. Moreover, India and its villages need good doctors far more than rich countries like America do. Yes, students, doctors are not thought for themselves. The primary duty of all doctors is for the care and safety of patients. Now, Grandpa said, "Yes, Nana, that is correct." Anyway, a week later, Akash's father got a postcard from him saying that he was busy treating the patients and that the situation was very grim. Grim means very serious or gloomy. Means Akash situation was very serious. The epidemic disease spreading very seriously in the village. 2 weeks later, his father received a phone call saying that Akash had been admitted to a city hospital in a serious condition. Means Akash also catch that virus, the epidemic disease. His parents rushed to see him. He was in a very bad state, in a very bad condition. He could barely speak. "Why are you torturing yourself as well as us, son?" Parents said. His father asked while his mother continued to sob. Sob means to cry noisily, making loud noise. "I can't help it, father," Akash said. "I can't bear to see people suffer. Your friends are enjoying their lives in America, and here, fighting for your life. I can't understand what you have achieved by choosing this path for yourself." "Father," Akash said, "all I can say is that I have the satisfaction that I have been able to save so many lives while I could. I can understand that my decision has hurt you and I can't undo that. However, this is my chosen path now." After battling for over a month, Akash passed away in his mother's arms. Passed away means died. After a long battle, after a long suffer, Akash died in his mother's arm. The entire village turned up for his cremation, and there was no single eye that was dry. The villagers decided to pay homage. Homage means special honor or respect shown publicly to Akash. They launched a drive to collect donation for building a small hospital in the village. They approached the local MLA who agreed to organize a hefty donation, thinking that the hospital would be named after who is MLA? MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. Hefty means impressively large, means huge donation. Huge. They approached the local MLA who agreed to organize a huge, hefty donation, thinking that the hospital would be named after him. However, the villagers were adamant. They took the money, built the hospital, and called Akash's parents for the inauguration. Akash's father inaugurated the hospital. Come, I want to show you something, Grandpa said. He took their hands and led them to a building a few hundreds meters behind the people tree. They stopped in front of a blue board. Nana, please read what is written on that board, said Grandpa. Akash Memorial Hospital in memory of Dr. Akash Rai. Nana looked at her grandfather. His eyes were wet with tears. Grandpa, your surname is Rai too. Was Akash Rai your son? Yes, Grandpa said. My child, he was my son, your mother's elder brother. As a professor of philosophy, I always thought I knew everything, but my son taught me the true essence of word service and the real meaning of word patriotism. So, students, patriotism is love and support of your country and your people. Student, I hope you will understand your lesson very well. So, student, go and help others. Be a responsible citizen. Be a good human being. Very soon I will give you your homework along with your worksheet. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.